Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we discuss about history of cell. In previous video, we were discussing about a robot hook. So let's discuss further. Okay. So Malpighian drew first observed living cell in plant. First observed living plant cell and called them bladders and utricles respectively. It means that Malpighian grew was first scientist who observed living cell in plant living cell and called them bladders and utricles respectively. Okay. So and in Malpighi in 1671 and grew in 1681. Okay. So our next scientist Leeuwenhoek first observed living animal cell and called them animalculae. Leeuwenhoek was first scientist to observe living animal cell and called them animalculae. Leeuwenhoek was first scientist who observed living animal cell and called them animalculae, and Malpighian grew was first scientist to observe plant cell and call them bladders and utricles respectively. Okay. So our next point is father of cytology. Who is father of cytology? Robert Hooke. Why? Because Robert Hooke was discovered cell and term cell was given by Robert Hooke. That's why he was called father of cytology. Okay. So our next topic is cell theory. Okay. So let's start. Cell theory. Our next topic is cell theory. And cell theory was given by two scientists, M.J. Sladen and T. Swan, in 1814. Cell theory was given by two scientists, M.J. Sladen and T. Swan. Okay. So M.J. Sladen was a German botanist and T. Swan was British geologist. Okay. So and M.J. Sladen, German botanist, and M.J. Sladen experiment on various type of plant and give plant cell theory in 1838. M.J. Sladen was experiment on plants, various type of plant, and he gave plant cell theory in 1838. Okay. So according to plant cell theory, all plants and their products are made up of cell. It means that suppose that this is a plant, this is made up of cell and their products. Suppose that this is a fruit, it is also made up of cell. Okay. So M.J. Sladen was a botanist who experiment on plant cell. Okay, and according to plant cell theory, he gave plant cell theory in 1838. Okay, according to plant cell theory, all plants and their products are made up of cell. Okay, and our next scientist was T. Swan. He was British geologist. T. Swan experiment on both animal and plant. He was experiment on both plant and animal, but in animal mainly. Okay, and gave hypothesis in 1839. He experiment on both plants and animal also, but he but he only focused on animal cell. Okay. Give hypothesis in 1339. 1839. According to hypothesis, both animal and plants and their products are made up of cell. This line, animal and plants and their products are made up of cell. This line is true, but he gave hypothesis. Okay. So cell theory was given by two scientists. First scientist's name was M.J. Slider and second scientist was T. Schwann. Okay. So M.J. Slider was experiment on various type of plant and gave plant cell theory in 1838. And according to plant cell theory, all plants and their products are made up of cell. Okay, and our second scientist was T. Swan. He experiment on both plants and animal, but he focused mainly in animal cell. Okay, and he gave hypothesis in 1839. According to hypothesis, all animals and plants are made up of cell, and their products are also made up of cell. It means that animal and plants are also made up of cell, and their products are also made up of cell. Okay. So in this video we will discuss some scientists history of cell. Malpighi and Grew was first scientist who observed living plant cell and called them bladders and utricles. Okay. And Evelyn Hook was first scientist who observed living animal cell in 1674 and called them animalculae. Okay. And father of cytology was Robert Hooke. And next we start new topic, cell theory. Cell theory was given by two scientists, M.J. Slider and T. Swan. M.J. Slider was experiment on various type of plant and he gave cell theory in 1838. According to plant cell theory, all plant and their products are made up of cell. And our next scientist was T. Schwann. He experimented on both plants and animal, but he mainly focused on animal cell. Gave hypothesis in 1839. According to hypothesis, both animal and plants and their products are made up of cell. Both plants and animals are also made up of cell and their products are also made up of cell. Oh, so I hope you understand the whole video. So take care, goodbye.